welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Wadson and this is our 2022 Lexus GX460 and Pirate Mica 2.0. Now the question is, are we gonna sell this one and get the 2024 Lexus GX500? Well, let's find out. Let's find out. All right. Ooh, it's hot out here. It is hot, man. AC, where are you? I gotta start this car, man. Hot day in Florida. I need you, AC. Where are you? I gotta turn this thing off right here. Woo! Man, hot day, man, hot day. So I'm gonna bring this thing back a little bit so we can talk, so we can chat. Now, before we start, so if you are on the Facebook group GX460 only or GX off-road, everybody going nuts, everybody going crazy about the new GX500. It doesn't look like a Lexus. It doesn't look like a Lexus. It's a Toyota. Blah blah blah. It looks like a Toyota. Newsflash, man. There's no such thing as Lexus GX outside of the US or Canada. If you're from the Caribbean islands or Europe, Africa, or even Australia, it's called Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Now, everyone is going nuts saying that the car looks too much like a Toyota. That's because it's Toyota. What they did, they bought the car here, took the Toyota badge, and then put a Lexus badge on it with a different front grille, and the dashboard layout, it's also different. That's all it is. It's a Toyota. Now, they're complaining about the twin turbo V6. I don't like turbo, blah blah blah. I want the V8. Well, keep that car. If you have this car, there's plenty of them out there. Just keep the 460. And if you have a 470, just keep that one too. No one is forcing anyone to buy a turbo car. It's like people just like to complain, man. I don't know. I don't get it. So let's hop in here on our little tablet and let's check out the new one. I'll throw it on the screen. All right, let's go to the Lexus website here. As you can see, whoo, man, that thing looks gorgeous. I don't care about the TX, the GX. There we go. That thing looks like a beast. As you can see here, I just freaking love how it looks like backseat and like the whole 70s Prado. That thing looked like a beast, man. I love it. And then there you go again. This is how it looks like, and this is the gray one. The gray one looks freaking nice. And that's the interior. Man, that thing looked good. That interior, I freaking love it. And there you go again. That I just love how it looks like. I like how, like, the wheels, the boxy looking, and the performance. You have a 3.4 liter twin turbo V6 with a 10-speed automatic. It makes 349 horsepower, and that's more than the one I'm sitting right here, which is a V8, and it has only 301 horsepower, and that one has 379 pound-feet of torque. That's a lot of torque, man. That's what we need, all the good torque, man. And my JX has 329. That one has 479, man. 479. That's great. And towing capacity is 8,000 pounds, which is great, man. It's great. And this is off-road package, of course, 4-wheel drive, all the good stuff. And you got 33-inch tires. This is and then this is the dashboard layout, man. I freaking love it. I love the interior. Now that's the rear. Now the only thing is the door go up now. It does not open like an house door or a fridge door, but they still have the window pop up, which is good. Now the only thing I don't like is the rear wiper. I wish it was up there. I don't know why it's like down here. I'm not sure why, but that's the only thing. I'm like, Lexus, just leave it up there. But anyways, nothing is gonna be perfect, but that thing looks like a beast, man. Let's take a look at some photos here. GX500, and as you can see, the door now go up. It's freaking incredible, man. Some people don't like it. I love it, man. I freaking love it. So yeah, man, I don't know why people hate on it, but hey, man, this thing looks like a beast. This thing looks great. Now the question is, are we gonna sell this one and get the new one? The question is no, absolutely not. This one is the last V8, okay? You cannot get this car in a V8 anymore, at least in the US. So we will definitely keep that one. Plus it's brand new. We bought it 14 months ago. We at 7,000 miles, and I love it. I love how how smooth the V8 is. I love everything about this car. We're not going to sell it. Plus what we owe on it is like that much, so it's almost pay off pretty much. For like a brand new car, we bought it 14 months ago, which is good. We only owe like little bit on it. I believe actually our next payment is not until like next year, because when we bought it, we put a good amount down, and then we put some big payments after that. So the bank just push our payment to like next year, because every time we pay more than the monthly payment is. So to sell it, to get the new one, not yet, but this one will stay. And right now I'm not planning to get another SUV on the channel. It's a sport car, which is this Supra. So but the only thing is that the interest rate right now is just way too high, man. Like last year we financed this at like 3%. Now it's like 8%. That's the main reason why I don't have a Supra yet, dear. the markups and the 8% with good credit, man, that's nuts. So there's no way. So yeah, we will keep that one. We're not selling it, but in the future, who knows, we might get one of the new ones, because knowing Lexus, whenever they bring a car out, they keep that same design for 10 to 13 years. So we have a long time, and this V8 is not gonna go anywhere. So that was my thought on the new GX, man. I love it. I love it. It just remind me of these old cars, old Toyotas, and it looks great, man. It looks great. All right, I hope you guys enjoy, and take care. Have a good morning, good afternoon, good night, and I will see you guys on the next one.